How to cancel Cash App card order. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can cancel Cash App card order. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So if you want to cancel your Cash App card order, first of all you have to open up the Cash App. Once you have opened it up, now navigate to the upper right corner and tap on the profile icon. Now, once you're on your profile page, scroll down a bit and there you will find an option that says Help or Support. So, tap on Support. Again, under this page, scroll down a bit. Now, at the very end, there is a chat option, tap on it. Now, you can direct chat with the Cash App support, where you can say that you want to cancel your Cash App order. Once you send the message, the Cash App support will get you back with the solution. Follow the instructions and you will be able to cancel your Cash App card order. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.